Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here with us, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become part of our family. It's never a dull moment here on this channel. Alright, in today's video, I am going to be doing a Ross haul. I went to Ross today and grabbed a few things that I do want to share with you guys. And I did stop by Target, so I'm going to be showing you guys some stuff that I picked up from Target as well. But before we get started in the video, I do want to share with you guys today about a company that I partner with in today's video. The company name is Dossier Perfumes, or Dossier. So thank you so much, Dossier, for sending me a bottle of perfume. So you may have heard about them, you may have not. I heard about them probably about 3-4 months ago, based out of New York. So what they do is, so you have your high-end perfumes that you probably know, Versace, Tom Ford. We can go on for days. So, and you know, with those high-end perfumes come with high-end money, hundreds to $300. So what they do is they take that smell and make an inspired smell for fraction of the cost. Yes, so they have perfumes ranging from $29 to $59. They have women, men, and unisex. So before we jump in this video, I'm going to show you guys the perfume that was sent to me that I picked out. Let me show you the box. So this is the packaging. And then I am going to read off the card, which is the notes. And the flavor that I picked out is called Fruity Magnolia. That's what I am going to read the notes on it. The top notes, it has pomegranate, yazoo, aquatic accord. The middle note is magnolia, peony, rose. And the base notes, amber, musk, akujo, wood. And this one is inspired. Remember I told you that you have your high-end brands. This one is inspired by Versace Bright Crystal. Words bounce off my skin. I can kind of get a whiff of the rose in there, which is not bad at all. Flower, but it's sophisticated. You know what I mean? So I like it. Thank you so much. If you do buy Dossier for yourself, I do have a code for you, and I will leave the code in the description box and the website. You can save some money. Use 10 VNB. Again, that's 10 VNB, and save yourself some coins. All right, you guys, now that we smelling good, let's get in this haul real quick. So I went to Ross earlier today and picked up some things for the house. So let's get started. Let's get started in this haul. So the first thing I went there for was I wanted a crossbody, a nude crossbody, and I was able to find one. And I think she is absolutely cute. It's nude and it has the gold chain, and you can make it long if you want. Or you don't have to wear it like that. You can just wear it to the side. But yep, and that was $17.99. But yeah, but it's perfect because that's exactly what I went there for. A nude crossbody. And so I was able to get that. Alright, Vince and we needed some soap dispensers. We have soap in there that we're sharing, but I need to get with the program. So I got these soap dispensers, and the reason why I got these is because our countertop is like marble. So I thought this would go perfect. Can you see the marble in there? Yep. So I got 2 of these, and they were $6.99. And then I got a toothbrush holder, and that has the marble in it as well. And that was $5.99. I went to the men's clothes just to see what they had, and Vince, he always, like I said, we're always vlogging. So I just went and got him a little a little shirt. I thought it was nice. It was soft. I don't know what type of material it is, but it is extremely soft. So I was like, you know what, he gonna like that. You know how you always think about your spouse? Well, I do when I'm out and about. Y'all, I thought this was so pretty. Look at this vase. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I'm gonna put it. It'll probably be side by side, but this was, y'all, guess how much it was? Look at this vase now. Look at this vase. Guess how much it was? $9.99. I could not believe it. Like, soon I picked it up, I just knew it was gonna be $19.99. I could not believe it. I did get a tissue holder. It was $6.99. I needed one of those. I did grab me some decorative pillows that I'm going to put on this couch. As you guys remember, I had got some navy blue ones, but it didn't look navy. Like, once I put it on the couch, it looked like royal blue, and my papa color is navy. So I don't know, but I got 2 velvet gray pillows, and these 2 was $14.99, and they gonna go on my they gonna go up there. So pretty. Ouch. All right, so then I got this bake dish, and this was $6.99. Y'all, and this is heavy duty. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. $6.99 for this heavy duty pan baking dish. So I picked that up. All right, and then I went to the clothes department, but I couldn't really find anything. But I found this lounge set. And it comes with a hood. Vince, he likes it cold in the house, and I be freezing, so I always have sleeves on when we're chilling out watching TV. So I thought that was cute. Thought that was really, really, really cute with the sleeves. Oh, and that was, I think it was $17.99, I believe. All right, so let me show you guys the things that I got from Target. Oh no, it was $18.99. All right, so let me show you what I got from Target. So I got this dress. It was $12. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. I don't know, I thought it was really cute. It's like a t-shirt dress, but it's navy blue and white v-neck with stripes. I got a size large. My half bathroom downstairs, the color is gray and yellow. So I just picked up, I don't have a soap dispenser in there yet, so I just picked up some soap and that had the color yellow in it. So it can match the theme to everything. And then they have a subscription of the blades, but he's out, and since we switched homes, I think we canceled it for a minute before we switched over because we didn't want it going over there to the old house. So I got to get his subscription back up, and he really, really likes this brand. So while I was at Target, I just went on and picked it up, and it has 5 blades and a razor, which he already has that part, but he absolutely loves it. So if your man got a shave, he really likes that. And then I just got some press-on nails. Those come in handy when you can't make it to the nail salon. Extra change in. I have that, and it's filled up, and I need to go cash it because that's what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna cash it in, and I'm gonna go to like the Dollar General and stock up on washing powder and stuff like that. We used to coupon, but we've slacked off for a minute, so we love the idea of our stockpile. Anytime we needed anything, tissue, paper towels, soap, we just walked out to our garage. So I am gonna use that cash to stock back on stuff and until I get back in couponing, because we just love the fact of a stockpile to just walk out to the garage. So I'm going to build that back up. So that's why I didn't buy too much washing powder and fabric softener. So I just grabbed this Gain, and we absolutely love the scent of Downy in our clothes. And I love me some iced coffee. And I saw another YouTuber, she mentioned this vanilla latte by Starbucks, and when I tell you, by the time I add all my stuff to it, you talking about heaven in a cup. So good. So give me a thumbs up on this video. I believe that's everything, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.